Hello friends, welcome to the channel of PMT2। लास्ट पार्ट 2 वैंको प्लस कॉम्बी में हमने देखा मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन एज वेल एज द इंडिकेशन डोजिंग ऑफ वैंको प्लस कॉम्बी। नाउ इन पार्ट 3 we will discuss about the unique selling points of Vanco Plus Combi. If we talk about unique selling points, Vanco Plus offers the various type of USPs like it offers the broad spectrum coverage against the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. And Vanco Plus Combi offers the synergistic action. It has enhanced efficacy as well as the enhanced safety as compared to plain vancomycin. Vanco Plus Combi not only treats the infection but also it combats the antimicrobial resistance, and it has the market exclusivity in India and USA. Vanco Plus Combi also has the physical compatibility and offers the dosage flexibility in renal compromised patients. Now come to the spectrum of coverage. Well, Vanco Plus Combi offers the broad spectrum coverage. As you know that vancomycin that has the activity against the gram-positive bacteria, and Vanco Plus in Vanco Plus Combi ceftriaxone offers the coverage against gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. So overall Vanco Plus Combi offers the broad spectrum coverage against gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. And if you see the bacterial coverage in gram-positive bacteria, it works against Staphylococcus aureus as well as the most notorious pathogen, that is the methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, where most of the antibiotic fails to respond in this bacteria. Here our Vanco Plus Combi has shows the excellent coverage in methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, as well as it works against Staphylococcus epidermidis and other gram-positive bacteria like as Streptococcus pneumoniae and Streptococcus pyogenes. Apart from gram-positive, it also covers the opportunistic gram-negative bacteria such as the Neisseria meningitis, Escherichia coli, and Klebsiella pneumoniae. And second USP, Vanco Plus Combi, where vancomycin and ceftriaxone in Vanco Plus Combi offers the synergistic action. You can see in this graph, there is MIC of vancomycin, ceftriaxone and Vanco Plus Combi has been plotted against the bacteria Staphylococcus aureus. You can see in case of S. aureus, ceftriaxone MIC is 16 microgram per ml is required for inhibiting the growth of S. aureus. At the same time, vancomycin 8 microgram concentration is required to inhibit the bacterial growth. But in case of Vanco Plus Combi, where vancomycin, ceftriaxone and antibiotic resistance breakers are there, which offers the synergistic action, and there is drastically reduction in MIC of Vanco Plus Combi, that is the 0.25 microgram per ml. And this lowers the MIC due to the synergistic action. And Vanco Plus Combi offers the enhanced efficacy. You can see this graph where clinical cure rate has been mentioned. According to the data, Vanco Plus Combi offers the maximum clinical cure, that is the 99%, where vancomycin offers 75% clinical cure rate, that is the 24% higher clinical cure rate with the Vanco Plus Combi. That shows that Vanco Plus Combi offers the higher efficacy as compared to plain vancomycin. And if we see the bacteriological eradication rate, where we can see the bacteriological eradication also higher, significantly higher with Vanco Plus Combi as compared to the vancomycin. So this shows Vanco Plus Combi has the higher efficacy as compared to the plain vancomycin. And one of the study was done by the Venus Remedies Limited. In that study, a patient has been divided in a group. Like one group given the medication vancomycin, plain vancomycin, and to second group teicoplanin has been given. To third group daptomycin has been given, and fourth group linezolid has been given, and fifth group Vanco Plus has been given for the treatment of patient. And these patients have having the different type of disease such as the central nervous system infections, meningitis, suppurative intracranial infections, epidural abscess, skin and skin structure infections such as the cellulitis, myositis, necrotizing fasciitis, as well as the respiratory tract infections, critical pneumonia, and urinary tract infections. So for treatment, different antibiotic has been given for cure of the patient, and result as you see over here, vancomycin. In vancomycin treated group, 14 days uh, are required for the treatment of the patient. According to a study, 14 days taken for the treatment of that patient group. And in case of Vanco plus Combi, 6 days taken for the treatment of that patient group. So it clearly shows here Vanco plus Combi reduce the 9 days hospitalization time. So you can imagine 9 days cost to the patient is very huge, like as every day bed cost is there, room charges is there, paramedical staff or nursing charges is there, as well as the doctor routine follow-up visit charges is there. So in case of Vanco plus Combi, that not only they treat the patient but also reduce the total cost of therapy. You can imagine if a patient that is staying in the hospital for the 14 days, that means not only the patient is suffering, apart from patient, their one or two guardian is there, their working also will be disturbed, they are mentally also disturbed. And one of the study that's showing if a patient is staying in hospital for longer days, that reduce the survival chances. And here, Vanco plus Combi increase the survival chances of patient as well as reduce the cost of therapy. Similarly, in case of linezolid, 9 days taken for the treatment of that patient, where Vanco plus Combi reduce the 3 days as compared to linezolid. And if we see Vanco plus Combi comparing with the daptomycin, it reduces the hospitalization by 7 days, or we can say it improves the bed rotation time by 7 days as compared to the daptomycin. And similar case in case of teicoplanin, Vanco plus Combi reduce the 3 days hospitalization. And Vanco plus Combi offers the enhanced safety. As you know that in Vanco plus Combi we have added the adjuvants, safety adjuvants, which improves the safety profile of patient, and Vanco plus Combi are in clinical use since 2008, and there is no serious adverse event reported till now. So we can say it is a safer brand. That's why doctors are using since last long time, and many more than 2 lakh patient has been treated so far without any serious side effect. And Vanco plus Combi not only treats the infection but also it combats the antimicrobial resistance by various ways. Like it prevents the formation of biofilm. As you know that enabling devices such as SUN that is used to treat the hydrocephalus disease. Hydrocephalus is a disease in which excessive cerebrospinal fluid production in the brain. So to treat stents had been placed by the doctor, but over the time period when patient gets the infections, these bacteria are attached to that shunt. वी कैन से जो बाहरी उसका आवरण होता है संट का, that is the external devices, so that bacteria stick on that scent and they increase there in number and they make a colony. As you see over here, they make a colony, they produce a excessive they produce a substances that name is extracellular matrix that prepare a outer covering that known as the biofilm. In this biofilm, normal antibiotic cannot penetrate. So there is a chances of relapse of infection is more. But in case of Vanco plus Combi, it prevents the chances of formation of biofilm. Or suppose biofilm is formed like is here. In that situation, normal antibiotics such as the vancomycin, linezolid, teicoplanin or daptomycin cannot penetrate the biofilm. But Vanco plus Combi it breaks the biofilm effectively and kills the bacteria inside the biofilm. That's why it reduces the chances of relapse of infection. So this is one of the mechanism of resistance that is a major challenge for the neurosurgeon also, where shunt infection is a major problem. And another resistance mechanism is efflux of antibiotic. You can say this is a bacteria in which antibiotics penetrate in the bacteria, and bacteria pump out all the antibiotic outside the from their cell by the efflux mechanism. So total amount of the antibiotic inside the bacteria is negligible. So in that situation, bacteria survive and resistance will develop. But in case of Vanco plus Combi, when Vanco plus Combi to be given the patient in which bacteria is resistant, that Vanco plus Combi blocks the efflux pump. So all quantity of antibiotic should be inside the bacteria that effectively kill the bacteria and increase the efficacy of antibiotic. And one of mechanism, that's the alteration of target site. Normally what happens when antibiotic given to the patient, bacterial regulatory system recognize the presence of bacteria and they change their target site. You can say this is a target site, normal target site where antibiotic binds and kill the bacteria. But in case of bacteria, they recognize the presence of antibiotic and change the target site where normal antibiotic could not bind and resistance will develop. But in case of Vanco plus Combi, that does not allow the bacteria to change the target site. Because Vanco plus Combi masks the presence of antibiotic component, that's why bacteria could not recognize the presence and they continue to synthesize their normal target site. But at the right point of time, Vanco plus Combi bind with that target site and kill the bacteria. So we can say Vanco plus Combi or here improve the susceptibility. So another USP, Vanco plus Combi is having the market exclusivity, or we can say it is a patented brand, patented in 10 countries including the USA, Europe and India. This is the patent certificate for the India and this is the patent certificate of United States of America. And more Vanco plus Combi having the physical compatibility where vancomycin and ceftriaxone, as you see in this test tube, where we have inserted the reconstituted vancomycin and reconstituted ceftriaxone, that is the soluble or we can say physical compatible. It is possible due to the technology, due to the patented technology. If in case of the normal vancomycin or ceftriaxone given to the patient, that is not compatible because the property of vancomycin and ceftriaxone, they precipitate. So that's why normally available vancomycin and ceftriaxone in the market cannot be given to the patient because they are physically incompatible. They precipitate in the vial, so it cannot be given to the patient. But in case of Vanco plus Combi, that is the physical compatible, it can be given to the patient. And one more benefit with the Vanco plus Combi, it offers the dosage flexibility to renal compromised patient because in Vanco plus Combi it offers the vancomycin and ceftriaxone and vancomycin is separate vial, so it can be adjusted according to the glomerular filtration rate or the creatinine clearance of the patient. So that is the major benefit with Vanco plus Combi. So thank you friends for watching this video.